The Chinese room thought experiment proposed by philosopher John Searle is a famous argument against the notion of strong AI. The idea that appropriately programmed computers can have genuine understanding and mental states. Imagine a native English speaker who knows no Chinese locked in a room full of boxes of Chinese symbols, a database, and a book of instructions for manipulating the symbols. The program. Imagine that people outside the room send in other Chinese symbols, questions, which the person in the room looks up in the program and follows the instructions for what symbols to send back out answers. To the people outside the room, it appears the room understands Chinese, but the person inside doesn't understand a word of Chinese. The person is simply following a program, manipulating symbols based on their syntax, without any understanding of their meaning or semantics. Searle argues this thought experiment demonstrates that computers, like the person in the room, can follow programs and produce apparently intelligent outputs without genuinely understanding anything. Syntax, manipulating symbols based on formal rules, is not sufficient for semantics, genuine meaning and understanding. The larger goal is to argue against strong AI, the view that an appropriately programmed computer would have real mental states and understanding, not just simulate intelligent behavior. Searle contends the thought experiment shows that no matter how intelligently a computer behaves, it is not really thinking or understanding, just manipulating symbols based on formal rules. The Chinese room argument has generated extensive debate. Critics argue the person in the room is only part of the whole system and perhaps the entire room understands Chinese. Others contend the argument ignores the possibility of machines with different internal structures that could understand. But Searle maintains that syntax alone can never produce real semantics and intentionality, key features of genuine minds. In summary, the Chinese room is a thought-provoking challenge to computational theories of mind, and the notion that appropriately programmed computers can have real understanding. It remains a focal point of debate about the nature of intelligence, meaning and mentality.